Hello everyone, this is Mohandas. Today we are going to discuss about the classification of triangles. So classification of triangles. So triangle is a three-sided closed figure. Okay, so triangle is a three-sided closed figure. So based on the triangle, we have a different classification. So here to find which type of a triangle, we have divided into two parts. The first one is side-based triangle. Side-based triangle. And other side is angle based triangle. Angle based triangle. So here in the side based triangle we are having a few things, that is about equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and the last one is scalene triangle. Now we'll come to the angle based triangle. The first one is called acute angle triangle, and the second one called obtuse right angle triangle, the third one called obtuse angle triangle. So we will discuss this all things in detail. Okay, now so we will discuss side based triangles, angle based triangle. Then we can know a clear picture about what is triangle, what are types of triangles, so you can understand better. Okay, now the first one is already we have discussed about the triangle concept. Now we will discuss side-based triangle. So this is one we will discuss. So side-based triangle basically it is a side-based. It depends upon the side. For example, side-based triangles. The first one called equilateral triangle. So what is equilateral triangle? Where a triangle, all three sides has equal sides. For example, I'm taking A, B, C is a vertex. The length of AC is equals to the length of BC equals to the length of AC. So all, for example, all sides are equal. So all sides are equal on the equilateral. This is nothing but as an equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle. It means that in a triangle ABC, if all sides are equal, then we can say that the given triangle is an equilateral triangle. So for example, if I take AB 6 centimeters, similarly BC also 6 centimeters and AC also 6 centimeters. So this is nothing but an equilateral triangle. Now the next thing is that isosceles triangle. So in isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. So I'm taking previous I have taken the vertex as ABC. I'm taking the DEF. Now, so DEF is a triangle. So already I told you that in isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. So this side and this side, if both are equal, then this type of triangle is nothing but as a isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. And also there is one other point is that, so here when two sides are equal, then the third side will be considered as a base. We have to consider as a base. This is considered as a base. For example, if I take the angle is 60 degrees here also same thing 60 degrees. The base angles must be equal in isosceles triangle, and also in the triangle two sides are equal. So DE, I'm writing here DF is equals to EF. In the previous equilateral triangle, AB is equals to BC is equals to AC is equals to 6 centimeter. If all sides are equal in a triangle, all sides are equal is nothing but as a equilateral triangle. Okay, in isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal, then we can call it as a isosceles triangle. Did you understand? Right? Now Now I'm going to explain about the third one called scalene triangle. So I think you know scalene triangle means all sides are unequal. In a triangle, all sides are unequal. So that is about the scalene triangle. So I am going to write here scalene triangle. The scalene triangle is nothing but all sides are unequal. All sides are unequal. So this side and this side is not equal. And this side. So I am using different symbols here. So 1, 2, and 3 here. So I'm taking A, B, C. Means AB is not equals to BC is not equals to C. So this type of triangle we can call as a scaling triangle. Okay, I hope you understand this. So this is about the side-based triangles. Okay, so many of them they didn't understand the. You will get some confused between the side and angle. So here in a triangle we have classification as two things. The first one is side-based triangle, and the second one is nothing but as angle-based triangle. So this one we have to remove. So side-based triangle means what? Equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scaling triangle. I hope you understand this. Okay. Now we'll move on to the next one. So this is a side-based triangle. Now the next one is angle-based triangle. Angle-based triangle. So angle-based triangle. So what's the meaning of angle? Angle is nothing but when two rays having one common vertex and it makes an angle. So that is about the angle-based angle. Okay. Now in this angle-based triangles, we are having acute angle triangle, and right angle triangle, and the last one called obtuse angle triangle. Obtuse angle triangle. So we will discuss in detailed manner of these three types of triangles, which is angle-based triangles. And the first one we'll discuss. The first one is acute angle triangle. So what are acute angle triangle? And we will discuss in detailed manner. So what is acute angle triangle? So in a triangle, each angle it measures less than 90 degrees. For example, I take like this. I take here will be 75 degrees. Here will be 60 degrees. So the remaining angle, how much it will be? It means that the sum of interior angles of, so first we have to know about the sum of interior angles of a triangle must be equals to 180 degrees. Okay, that is a common thing. Okay, in a triangle, the sum of angles must be equals to 180 degrees. In acute angle triangle, each angle measures acute angle. So 75, 135. So the remaining is 45 degrees if I take. So add this one 120 plus 60. So you get 180 degrees. Okay. So in acute angle, each angle it measures less than 90 degrees. Each angle it measures less than 90 degrees. Then we can say that the given triangle is acute angle triangle. So ABC is the vertex. So each angle it measures less than 75 degrees. Then we can say that the given triangle is a acute angled triangle. Okay, I hope you understand this. Okay, now we will discuss the another concept called right angle triangle. So I think you know right angle already we have discussed in the angles. No, right angle. What is the right angle? The angle which measures 90 degrees. We can call it as a right angle. So like that, in a triangle, one angle it measures exactly 90 degrees. Exactly 90 degrees. Then we can say it is a right angled triangle. Now, so in a triangle, one angle. So for example, I'm taking this is a triangle. So one angle it measures exactly 90 degrees. One angle 90 degrees. So what about this one? It may be a 30 or 60. It may be 30 or 60. We can take any number. Okay. So this is about the right angle triangle. Okay. Right angle is in a triangle. One angle it measures exact 90 degrees. Then the remaining angles are acute angles. Then we can say that the given triangle is a right angle triangle. Means DF is equals to angle DFE. Angle DFE. So not DFE. Angle FDE is equals to 90 degrees. FDE. So the middle one is nothing but as a, we can consider as an angle. Okay, or we can write like this. Sorry, angle. This is a symbol we can use. Generally, we can use a symbol like this. Angle FDE is equals to 90 degrees, or we can mention angle D. Angle D is equals to 90 degrees. So DF is perpendicular to DE. Also, we can consider perpendicular is nothing but 90 degrees. So angle D also we can give the notation like this. Angle D equals to 90 degrees. In case if the angle is 90 degrees, one of the angles measure 90 degrees, and I'll take one more example so that I can understand better. Right? So in case if I take one angle measures 90 degrees and the remaining angles are measured 45 degrees and 45 degrees. So in this case, we can call it as a isosceles right angle triangle also we can mention, because angles are same here, the base angles are same. It means that this angle, this side and this side both are same. Okay, if the base angles are same in a right angle, if the base angles are same, then here we can call it as a isosceles right angle triangle. Isosceles right angle triangle. So this is a special triangle. You know, we can say special right angle also we can call. Special right angle. So on that, in that subtopic code, special, this is not necessary. So we can while going to the next class, you can understand better about the special right angle. But you have to know about what is right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means one of the angle measures 90 degrees. Then the remaining angles must be, if we add remaining all the angles, it should be 180 degrees. So one angle measures 90 degrees. But in the case of acute angles, all angles which is less than 90 degrees, which measures a less than 90 degrees, if sum of all angles must be equal to 180 degrees, then we can say that is a acute angle triangle. So this is about the concept. Now we will discuss about obtuse angle triangle. So what is obtuse angle triangle? It's the same thing, like what is the condition of obtuse? What is the meaning of obtuse? It should be greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees. For example, I'm taking one straight line. Let's suppose AB is a vertex. Okay, now at angle A, I'm taking greater than 90, but I'm not going to take, and less than 180 degrees. So less than 175, up to 175 we can extend it. I'm taking like this. Okay, see, A, B, C. So I'm not good at drawing. Okay, I'll do once again. Okay, so one angle in a triangle, one angle it measures greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees. Greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees, like this. Suppose it is 110 degrees. A, B, and C. So one angle it measures 110 degrees. The remaining what, how much will become here? 110 means 35, 35. So here 35, 35 we know. This is also an obtuse angle triangle. So I hope you understand this, all those things. So here the classification of triangles, we have side-based triangles and angle-based triangles. What is side-based triangles? Side-based triangles having equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scaling triangle. In the same thing manner, in angle angle-based triangle means, what are those angle-based triangles? Acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. So these are the classifications about the triangles. Side-based triangle means equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, and scaling triangle. Angle-based triangle means acute angle triangle, right angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangle. So these are the classification about the triangles. I hope you understand better. Thank you.